Hi, guess what time it is right now? 3:14 in the morning. What am I doing? Learning calligraphy. One of my favorite things to do on Instagram is to go and look at those like calligraphy accounts that like post like the pretty writing and like the close-ups and everything like that. They're absolutely stunning, wonderful. They're so talented. And every time I look at those, I think I want to do that. So today I'm going to be going on the ultimate quest to learn calligraphy. I'm going to be taking you along. I guess this is a tutorial too. So yeah, just learn calligraphy with me. Just a sit back kind of chill video where I'm just learning something new, kind of bringing it back to the old beginning days of my channel where I did a lot of this kind of stuff. What do I have to say? We're almost at 80 subscribers, which is super cool because I don't really like make an effort to grow my channel. So like that's really cool. Almost 80. Like my lucky number is 8. So I feel like any kind of like multiple of 8, like 80, 800, 8,000, etc. is like also my lucky number. So like we're almost at 80. So like, that's cool. So if you haven't already, make sure to go down there and hit that subscribe button, and also leave a thumbs up on this video to let me know that you want to see more stuff like it. Alright, so this is what I'm going to be doing. I got black poster board and gold ink and fountain pens, and the reason that I got this and not just a traditional like white and black or like a pen already with ink cartridges in it. This is like the ink that all the beautiful calligraphy is made in on Instagram. It's my favorite to look at. So I'm going to be following the copperplate method. Also, if you're wondering why my tip has some ink already on it, I was doing swatch testing. I didn't really get into any lettering or anything like that, but I was just making sure that like everything worked and I was finding the tip that I liked the most. So yeah, let's just get into it. So I'm only going to be going through the capital letters because the lowercase letters are literally just italics. So here's the A. The A you go over. Okay, cool. Also, if I'm not holding the pen correctly, don't come for me. I'm holding it the way that's most comfortable for me. Alright, rough start, it's fine. So the A goes like this, and it goes... Hey, not bad! Not great. And you know, if you wanted to, you could go in and like put like little like decorations or stuff. Boom, that looks phenomenal. Let's get into the B. So basically the B goes like this. Cute! Wow, that looks stunning! That looks so good! Oh my god! So here's some story. I'm just gonna chit chat, so I don't know, this is like a little bit more substance to it because I'm not really giving like explicit instructions. I went to Best Buy tonight because I lost my SD card, which by the way, does anybody else lose portable storage all the time? Because I do. Fantastic. But I picked up an SD card and I also picked up this like, cover for my iPad, like the little, you know, like smart cover keyboard thing. I put that in my car and I went to Michael's to pick up the supplies, and literally when I was in Michael's for probably, I don't know, like 8 minutes, somebody went through my car. I was so upset and they took my SD card, which like, what? Which, how I know that somebody went through my car was that when I got out, the like center console was like flung open and the little like light was on, and I was like, that's weird. But yeah, it was super annoying, so I had to go back to Best Buy, buy another card, and like I buy the 128 gigabyte ones, so those ones are like expensive. It's just so annoying. Like this is why we can't have nice things, really. This is like the second time this has happened like recently too. Like I am so excited to leave. I hate where I live. That does not look like an F. No! Oh, shoot, I did that way wrong. Good enough. That looks like a Y. Alright, moving on. That was G, now we're at H. What other things to talk about? Oh, yeah, I should probably talk about like, I don't know, why I'm awake right now. I ordered a Postmates today. The Postmates driver, they were like new, I think, I don't know. And when they got to my house, they like looked a little sketchy, they were acting a little weird. They like looked behind me, you know how you can tell when somebody's like looking behind you and looking into your house? And they were like, oh, nice place you got here. So I was trying to go to bed like, I don't know, probably an hour ago. I was like, you know, you're all alone. You know, what if that guy comes and breaks into your house? So yeah, I'm like really paranoid and I think that there's somebody in my house. If they're in my house, they're listening to me film a video right now. Wouldn't that be the tea though, if they just like barged through the door? Like, man, that would be some good content. But I would probably die. All right, let's move it on. Moving on to the second line. Oh, there are little arrows on this to tell me what to do. Wow, I did that one totally wrong. It's fine. Cute. I'm pushing way too hard on my paper because it's tearing through my paper. not looking great, and oh no, that looks bad. Oh, those last like 3 letters that I've done just look awful. Ugh. Maybe I should change the nib. I'm gonna change the pen that I'm using because it's just not working. Let's try this one. Okay, so that doesn't work either. I'm trying to follow the lettering and like it's hard because I don't think I'm holding the pen right, but I don't know how to hold the pen. Okay, this isn't working. Well, we're going back to the other one. Oh, this is so hard. This is frustrating. I don't feel like I've ever been this frustrated with a video ever. We're almost done. Q, just kidding. That would have been so embarrassing. Q, that looks like a 2, but it's fine. R, S. I couldn't imagine this being like the practical way of writing. I'm kind of getting it a little bit better on this line, but it's because I'm holding it closer to me because I feel like for this video I'm like doing it far away, so I have to reach and do it. Here's the U. Here's the V. W. X. Do I even have to do X? Like nobody uses that letter. Like Y. And Z, which is the hardest letter to do. Ta-da! There it is. I did the whole alphabet. I'm just gonna play around a little bit more, write like a nice little message or something, and then come back and do the rest. Well, that was a long and hopefully fun video for you to watch. As I got closer to the bottom and I was writing those messages, I think that they actually turned out like incredible. They actually look really good. I don't know if you can even see any of like the stuff on here. It's probably backwards too. I'm a beginner. This is my first time ever doing calligraphy. I could definitely see myself doing it at the end because I feel surprisingly calm. I put on some like calm music when I was working while I was only able to listen to like one song because I wrote like 4 words, but I was getting a little bit frustrated with the top ones. But overall, after they dry, I think that they look actually good, and I feel like if I were to put them like in like a word, you wouldn't even be able to see some of the imperfections. So that is all for my today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I know that I wasn't as chatty as I intended to be, but partially because it's now 4:07 in the morning and I'm still awake. So if you like this video, make sure to go down there and leave a thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Again, I'm almost at 80 subscribers, but again, I do appreciate you being here, and for anybody who has subscribed so far, thanks. Why? Other than that, I'm gonna go. Bye!